पावसाळी अधिवेशन 21 जुलय ते 8 ऑगस्टा मेरेन चलपाचें आसा. कॅबिनेटात मांडिल्ली खंयची विधेयकां विधानसभे मुखार येतली हाची वळेरी आयज मुख्यमंत्र्यान दिली. पळयात.
मिस्टर माविन बाब गुजिनो आसा. ओके, आयच्या कॅबिनेट डिसिजनान it is in the Factories Goa Amendment Bill 1948 is in force in the state of Goa. ताका एक amendment हाडला for the ease of doing the business. Okay. Formation of the state NSS cell in the state of Goa for the recruitment of the staff for the state NSS cell and the creation of the post in the for the state NSS cell. NSS cell आम्ही वेगळो एस्टाब्लिश केला. त्याच्या खातीर सेपरेटली स्टाफ आनी हे सगळे रिक्रूट करपाक सुरवात केल्या. गोवा पब्लीक सर्वीस कमिशनचो रिपोर्ट 24-25 हो कॅबिनेटाच्या मुखार दवरलो. तो असेंब्लीत दवरतले. अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ द कंसल्टंट स्पेशलिस्ट एंड टेक्निशियन स्टाफ एंड ऑन द कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसिस अंडर द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ हेल्थ सर्विसेस. सर्जन 10, गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट 10, फिजिशियन 10, ऑर्थोपेडिशियन 10, एनेस्थेशिस्ट 10, पिडियाट्रिशियन, स्टाफ नर्स, एनेस्थेशिया टेक्निशियन्स हे जे आहा सगळे ते सगळे अपॉइंट केले. टोटल जवळपास 170. Till the filling of the new post. सगळे डॉक्टर्स आणि स्टाफ नर्स फक्त 100. Declaring the director of River and Navigation Department as a head of the department of under rules and business of the GRDP, Department of the Inland Waterways into the two separate department. Captain of पोर्टाच्या अंडरूच आशिल्ले रिवर एंड नेविगेशन ते डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द इनलँड वॉटरवेज म्हणून सेपरेट डिपार्टमेंट करून ताका HODs केलो. Inland waterways. No, inland waterways. There is extension, staff thoughts, extension in the tenure of the pension cell for the further period of the 1 year by engaging the additional retired officer for improving upon the ratio of the clearance of the pension cases. Taka extension eka varsak pension cellat kelle asa. Proposal of the appointment of the one additional embryologist in the department of the obstetric and gynec in the Goa Medical College, Bambolim. Creation of the 13th post into the public prosecution. Approval of the pattern of assistant in the Goa Tourism Board constituted wide notification. Proposal for the undertaken Sports Authority of Goa towards the sanctioning of the catering services to provide the Khelo India. Post facto approval पहिलीचे कोण आशिल्ले. Goa Animal Breeding Domestic and Regulations Compensations Bill 2025 एक कॅबिनेटाक हाडला. असेंब्लीक वतले पास जावपाक. Allotment of the land of 2440 square meter for the Babasaheb Ambedkar Bhavan. Cabinet घेवपाचे उरलेले. Creation and continuation of the 4 contractual posts in the IT startup promotion cell. Parwari, that's Babasaheb Ambedkar Bhavan. Approval of creation of the various posts in the Goa Dental College and Hospital. Total post जवळपास 10च्या वयरा सगळे डॉक्टर्स ॲट अ वेरियस लेवल. प्रोफेसर ऑफ द ऑर्थोपॅडिक, पोस्ट ऑर्थोडॉन्टिक, ओरल मेडिसिन एंड रेडियोलॉजिकल सर्जरी सगळे.
आणि कॅबिनेटा उपरांत पत्रकारांनी माविनाक गाठलो. चलन भरपाक लायनी लागतात. चिखलेच्या हॉस्पिटलाक शाबासकी अशा कांय गजालींचेर प्रतिक्रिया विचारल्यो. माविनान कितें सांगले ते आयकात.
I have told to streamline the whole thing. QR कोडाचेर पे करपा मेळटले. They are doing it. They have already done it. It is already solved.
Process is slow on RTO.
I have told to expedite that. As I told you, QR कोडाचेर पे करपा मेळटले आणि स्टाफ घालपा लायला. Already I am seized of
पंचायत सेक्रेटरीनी काय एका अपोज केला फाटीना ते इवन मेळ्या डायरेक्टरान बी
कितें ते
तांकां ते हे बीन नाका AI आनी बाकीचे सगळे
AI अटेंडन्स बी नाका. AI अटेंडन्स जे नाका म्हणपी पयलींच एडमीट करता की आमी ड्युटेर सारके आसना म्हणून आमकां डॉजिंग करपा जाय. आपण जाग्यार आसपाना. वाय शूड दे ऑब्जेक्ट अटेंडन्स विच इज बीइंग रेकॉर्डेड? देर इज नो एक्सक्यूज फॉर दिस. AI अटेंडन्स विल कम. इट इज अबाउट टू बी कंप्लीटेड. टेक्निकल सम स्मॉल टेक्निकल थिंग्स आर टू बी सॉर्टेड आउट इन्क्लुडिंग जिओ टॅगिंग. ते सगळे जाल म्हणटच आमी ते लॉन्च करतले बेगीनचे बेगीन. And it may start from what they are saying. No, it should not be only for Panchayat. It should be for everybody. It will be for everybody. We are starting from the Panchayat department.
Hospital received best hospital. Chikli hospital.
Yes, obviously it is one of the best maintained and best hospital in terms of number of patients coming and getting very good service from the doctors and the supporting staff. I congratulate them because they are really doing hard work. And periodically I also visit and I see that everything is up to the mark. Recently, Dr. Chandrasekhar, who is the Union Minister of State for Rural Development, along with me, he had visited the hospital and he said, I have never seen such high standard hospital, so clean, with good facilities where patients also are so happy. So, if
So
it
you are
has,
giving credit to Vishwajit also.
of course, why not? He is the health minister, he should get the credit.